Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to your Rose Ka Dose. Today, let's look at the impact of this financial downturn that has hit the whole world and how it is going to impact individuals. Now, let's understand one thing, that the estimates are that about $10 trillion is going to be the overall loss. Now, who is going to pay for it? See, eventually it will come down to each one of us. So $10 trillion will get proportionally or disproportionately distributed amongst the people who are earning to make a living. So, first thing very clear, life is not going to be what it was earlier. So there has to be a toning down of our lifestyle. So earlier we used to have that concept of surplus money, which was spent on, I would use the word, frivolous things, and not on your basic necessities. Now that surplus money is bye-bye. So the surplus money is not going to be available to us, to none of us. And that's going to be fair because it will be impacting everybody's lifestyle. So there's no question of saying that, oh, I'm impacted more or so and so is impacted more. Now let us learn from some celebrities who live in a very frugal manner. Let me take the example of Obama, President Obama, former US President, who was US President for 2 tenures. He passed out of Harvard Business School and he chose to do some kind of a social work. He was driving a blue Honda Civic, a second-hand Honda Civic, for quite some time, till he got into politics and had a stable life in terms of income. Then you have people like Bill Gates, who do not want to give their kids mobile phones till they are 13, 14 years of age. Now that's by choice. You have a person like Warren Buffett, who still stays in his old 3-bedroom house and no frills attached. Back home, if you see Infosys chief or founder, Mr. Narayan Murthy, also stays in absolute frugal manner, travels economy class. So I think these are the role models you should look at. And if these people who are so rich and mighty can live on a frugal budget, why can't we? We all can. If you look at Leonardo DiCaprio, he also does not take his own plane. He flies commercial. Jennifer Lopez, she makes sure that she recycles clothes for her children. She stitches them, repairs them herself, and feels good about it. So if we start looking at our life in a little more frugal way, I think that would curtail large number of useless expenses that we do. And I think for the next 6 months to a year, till we become back to affluence, let's stick to a little kifayati way of living. Thank you.